Welcome to my hotel room in the beautiful state of New York. I am here for the YouTube Creator Summit, and YouTube always likes to give a surprise package to the arriving guests. So here it is. We've got this mystery box that's addressed to what's inside, or it's trying to tell me to look and see what's inside. Either way, I thought that it'd be fun to bring you guys along and to show you what's inside this box and to explore it together, because they usually do some fun stuff. I remember last year, I think they gave me a Google Pixel phone and I had to like rush downstairs and get it in the last minute. I just made it by 1 minute.
1 minute, okay, you're in the club.
And unfortunately, they don't allow kids under the age of 18 to the YouTube Creator Summit, so Lincoln's back at home. Andy has school, so it's probably better that he's at school. Okay, let's get into this box. What is inside of it? Okay. First thing, cool box with the hashtag Creator Summit. And then some agendas for the week. What is this ball? It's a YouTube 8-ball. Will we hit 10 million subscribers on our YouTube channel? Positively. Okay. Well, we've already seen what's inside of a magic 8-ball before. It's actually pretty interesting. This was like one of our first videos we ever did. So I think we'll keep this one, bring it home for the kids. But yeah, that is rad. Oh, look at this guy. Brooklyn 2019. That's pretty cool. Nice sweater. Thank you very much. What in the what? Okay, you just need to see this one. Are you kidding me? YouTube roller skates. Why do they have like a heel on it? I'm gonna be super tall in these. I just can't get over how cool these are. I really hope I don't fall and break something, but I'll probably have to sign a waiver before I go. So even if I do, it's all my fault. I am a good ice skater, fun fact. I learned when I was a kid, and I really enjoy ice skating. So roller skating should be pretty similar. Tube socks. And then there's a card on this one. Put on your dancing skate, we've got a fun night planned for you. Don't forget your skates and socks. Yes, that's pretty rad. We heard this is your favorite snack. Beef jerky. Cool book, Are You Okay? By Katie Morton. I've seen her in the AV Family videos. Very cool. That's gonna be a good thing to read. Check out these YouTube sweatpants. Super cozy. And then what's this? Leo. I am a Leo. Handmade essential oil blend. Take a minute for yourself and enjoy this special essential oil intended to enhance the key characteristics of your sign. The thing that I really like about getting the sweatshirt and the sweatpants is that they're really, really good for traveling. Today marks the very first day of a 2-week trip that is going to take me, and then Lincoln's gonna join me. We're gonna be going to Manchester, England for the YouTube golf tournament. Check it out. I'm probably the only YouTuber here that brought my actual golf clubs. They're just hanging in the closet. And then from there, I'm going to be going to Norway doing something with Mercedes-Benz. I guess what YouTube is trying to tell me is that the next couple of days are going to be really, really fun. Stay tuned to the family channel and I will post more. Thank you, YouTube, for sending this awesome gift and for this cool Creator Summit. I will fill you guys in tomorrow. See ya.